Hey guys, so for today, as you already saw, we have another roof, and we already done the side at the back, and this is the front side, and we already have taken all the tiles off. Now we are just going to clear out everything, the dust, the old roof bottoms, and all the nails, of course. If we are going to leave those, it is a big possibility that he's going to pierce our breathable membrane. So as you can see, Julian, it already started to clear out the place. For who is coming onto this channel, they will know about Julian. He is usually helping me when I'm getting in trouble, practically. So yeah, let's go up there and see how bad it is. So yeah, I was saying all this dust needs to be cleared out. That is about 100 years old. So this roof, it will have about 100 years. So yeah, this is the roof at the back, which we finished, and I cannot film too much because the weather is quite bad, and it's raining a little bit every day. But I believe tomorrow is going to be worse, so I will have to put my breathable membrane today, and I will have to be quite quick about it, because I don't want to damage anything in the house. So yeah, at this point we are just going to clear out everything. We already put part of the tiles right down there in the street, and we are working quite carefully because it's a weekend and we don't want to wake up any of the neighbors around here. So we are careful even with the noise at this point. We can work, but I prefer to take care of everything that is around me. So yeah, let's get back to work.
Following me? Following me?
Yeah, say
What
something.
Eh?
Like and subscribe. Yeah, you are strong, we know. Alright guys, so not bad for one day's work, but at this moment it's quite late and we run out of tiles because it's quite difficult to find now building materials. We just took everything that it was in stock, and hopefully tomorrow morning I'm going to find the other ones that are missing, the other tiles, and we can finish it off. Now the weather is going to be quite bad this week, so I really hope that at least in the morning it's not going to rain and I can lay all the tiles, all the missing tiles, before the bad weather is going to come. So yeah, this is what we have done for today. I'm quite pleased with it. It's still a lot to do because they are missing a lot of tiles, but I can't say much about it. It is what it is. It's a shame because today we could have finished everything, even if it's quite late. At this time I believe it's about 6 o'clock. We could have had done it somehow, but anyway, I'm just going to close for now and see you tomorrow morning, which is going to be just 1 second for you. So see ya tomorrow. Alright guys, so finally everything done. We had some bad weather. Right now it's a lot of wind. I hope that you can hear me. So yeah, it's quite finished at the moment, and we had to cap off even the chimney breast because before it was open, so we had to put some caps, vented caps on the top. Like that we can stop the water to go inside, because that chimney breast was taken completely out from the house, and seeing that it was opened, water was just going into the chimney. So we solved that problem. We didn't do anything to the lead. We just left the lead, we lifted up, and then we tucked in our tiles underneath that lead. We also changed the gutters, the fascia and the soffit, and that was done. And at this point everything is completed and we are ready to go. So at this point, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.